Many of us are ready to get out and have some fun. Fox 5 auto expert Nik Miles takes us for a test drive in a new Lamborghini.
If you take a look at the brand new Lamborghini Huracan EVO Spyder in the all-wheel drive and you see an expensive supercar, you're sort of wrong, because this is actually a science project. What Lamborghini have done with the Huracan EVO and other vehicles is a massive leap forward in science.
For example, the 3.6 million Lamborghini Sian FKP37 showed the world the Lamborghini supercapacitor, which is a dense battery which charges and discharges much faster, helping the Sian get to 819 horsepower and hit 62 miles an hour in just 2.8 seconds. This is the Lamborghini Huracan EVO Spyder, and this is one of 4 vehicles that Lamborghini have created out of the Huracan. Its siblings are the hardtop Lamborghini Huracan EVO all-wheel drive, the Lamborghini Huracan EVO all-wheel drive Spyder, and last but not least, the Lamborghini Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive hardtop. 2 convertibles, 2 all-wheel drives, and 2 rear-wheel drives. The heart of the car is the V10 engine that breaks the previous rules of what is possible. The Spyder adopts the next-generation vehicle dynamic control and aerodynamics developed for the coupe, with a 5.2-litre naturally aspirated Lamborghini V10 engine uprated for a higher horsepower output and incorporating titanium intake valves.
This Huracan EVO has about 5.31 pounds to every horsepower. That's about a third of what the average family vehicle has. And that means a lighter vehicle takes less fuel to propel it along, meaning it's better for the environment and better for gas consumption.
0 to 60 miles an hour is fast because the car has been engineered to be strong and light. It can get to 60 miles an hour in just 3.1 seconds. Just like the SpaceX rocket, every ounce counts. Just like the Lamborghini Huracan EVO, the more weight for the SpaceX rocket, the more fuel it needs to get to space. Now, the Lamborghini Huracan EVO is not just about the miracle of science, it's also about the miracle of emotion. And you can tell that if I put my foot in. The drive is phenomenal. I have driven thousands of cars in my lifetime and have to say that this is the future of driving. My job will only get better. Onboard computers are making millions of calculations and adjustments every single second. Just like the space shuttle, this vehicle is adjusting for every twist and turn that I come to, making beautiful sound in the brand new Lamborghini EVO Spyder all-wheel drive. For Fox 5 Morning News,